Do you know what I've done?
I always wanted to do a mukbang.
You want to fix your cold? Have ice cream.
So I need to share my playlist with you.
This is so embarrassing. I had read this quote last week. I even procrastinate the things I actually want to do. I mean, what is that about? Like, why have I procrastinated using this blow dry brush? मतलब मैंने ऐसा कुछ परचेज नहीं किया इससे पहले, and I procrastinated using this since more than like 14 days now. Can you? I don't know what to say to that. So I don't have heat protectant, so my hair will have to protect itself. ऐसे ही सीखेंगे. Wow, it works. Now yes, I cannot believe I gave myself a blow dry. Do you know what I've done? मेरे को so basically मैं दिन में सो गई. मैं सोती नहीं हूँ दिन में, but मैं सो गई and I woke up and I got the pleasant surprise that I got my period. Okay, then I was like, okay, never mind, I will still go to the gym. And I went to the gym. I did like a crazy workout, like abs and some other dumbbell exercises. Then and end में जब मैं treadmill पे थी, I was like, मुझे पिज़्ज़ा खाना है. एंड मैंने डोमिनोज ऑर्डर करा है ट्रेडमिल पे. एंड अब मैं घर आई हूँ. टेस्ट टेस्ट करेंगे. मैंने बहुत कुछ मंगा लिया है बिकॉज हमें लिमिट में ऑर्डर करना तो आता ही नहीं है. सो फर्स्ट आई एम गोइंग टू हैव द stuffed garlic bread. Cheese it up. I deserve this. मैंने एक भी दिन स्किप नहीं किया. I always wanted to do a mukbang because मैंने इतने mukbang वीडियो देखे हैं वेट लॉस के टाइम पे
I mean, मैं भी वही कर रही हूँ, बट जब खुद भूख लगती थी तो मैं दूसरों को खाते हुए देखती थी एंड मुझे लगता था कि मेरा पेट भर गया. So welcome to my first mukbang. This is literally a dream come true right now. Oh my god. Okay. We have pizza. Thin crust pizza. गाइस एक मकबैंगर है, मैं उसको बहुत पहले से देख रही हूँ, मैं नाम नहीं लूँगी, बट उसने मकबैंग कर करके मर्सिडीज खरीद ली है. ओके या सो इट्स अ गुड बिजनेस डिसीजन टेक्निकली. यही अगर कुछ अंडा भुर्जी टाइप होता तो मेरी एपेटाइट देखनी चाहिए थी. एंड अगर मुझे भी अकेला छोड़ा गया तो मैं ये भी ख़त्म कर दूंगी पूरा. आई मीन इट्स नॉट दैट मच. ओह शिट, मैं ऑरिगेनो डालना ही भूल गई. अल्कोहल में धान.
What about when Jan said the branch was closing?
Hey, Pam, we're going to Port Richards. Coming?
Yeah, we'll meet you there.
Awesome. I'm really glad you're still gonna be working here.
I have a meeting. The pollution this time is getting out of hand, literally. Hi guys, how are you? I just wanted to talk about exactly. Pro tip. You want to fix your cold? Have ice cream. You want to fix your fever? Have garam Maggi. It works every single time because you know why? Zehri ज़हर को काटता है. So that you don't blame your bad health on me, don't listen to me. मैंने परसों आइसक्रीम खाई थी, उसके बाद से मेरी आवाज़ बेटर हो गई. It does not sound like a man anymore. मेरे को फीवर था, मैंने गरम मैगी खाई, अगले दिन I was feverless. So that worked. Plus, if you're living in Delhi, you might as well just have ice cream because you're anyways doing a lot worse than you think you are. This is really good. This is the hazelnut crunch Noto bar. In this vlog, you might think मैं सिर्फ junk खा रही हूँ, but I've been having healthy things for the majority part. मैं बस गंदी चीज़ें दिखा रही हूँ coincidentally on the camera. I don't know why I'm doing that. Also, I need to share my playlist with you. It's been a while. I feel like I've been cheating on you क्योंकि मैंने बहुत टाइम से शेयर नहीं करा.
Please यार, I can't drink the whole thing. Please थोड़ा सा ले ले वरना फिर यार तू हाँ कह दे हाँ.
The hell?
हाँ कह दे.
मेरे को नहीं पीनी.
Oui. नहीं oui क्या होता है? हाँ yes oui. कबूल.
Close the door अच्छे से. Song number 1 that I've been obsessed with.
What he thought I wasn't. I tried to be everything I thought he wanted. I'm still waiting on the green light. Tell you what I feel like, but I can't go on.
Green Light by Tate McRae. I love her, so I listen to her songs. Green Light is one of my favorites. Then
एक मिनट तेरा कर ला दीदार मेरे कोल तक खलो जा कोई छेती नहीं किते हाय तू ਬਣੀ ਪਰੀ ਕਦੇ ਲੱਗੇ ਆਈ ਅੰਬਰਾਂ ਤੋਂ ਹੂਰ ਕਦੇ ਹੀ ਹੋਣੀਆਂ ਨਾ ਤੇਰੇ ਨਾਲ ਸੋਹਣੀਆਂ ਨੇ ਤੂੰ ਪਰ ਤੂੰ ਐ
It's such a good affirmation song. Like, you're you know. Like, there's no one like you. Tu par tu hai. I love it. This song, it's called Ehsaas.
नया नया एहसास है तू जो मुझको मिला है
तेरे नशा के खत्म होने को है इंतजार
तेरी नजरों का दिल हुआ है
Favorite part.
तेरी बातों में आराम है या तेरी आवाज में I was a ghost, I was alone.
This song is called Golden, and this is from like the movie called. It's an animated movie called K-pop Demon Hunters. When my cousins were here, they made me watch it because पूरे दिन iPad पे सिर्फ यही गाना चलता था, and I was like, क्या है ये? And then they forced me to sit down and watch the movie. I enjoyed it. I will not lie. And even like a grown man may say that they did not enjoy it, but they secretly did. So and then basically जो सैयारा के background tracks थे वो भी they've released. तो उसमें I love to listen to this one. This is so embarrassing, but I can't lie. It's coming, it's coming. The vibes. It feels like I'm floating when I hear this. Where have you been? By Rihanna.
for you, babe. Searching for you, babe. Where have you been?
November is giving very Ye Duriyan vibes from Love Aajkal 2, not the first one. I'm going to say something that I'm probably going to regret, but I just have to say it so that I get it done. In December, I am going to do a whole week of video every single day of the week. It's going to be like Vlogmas, 7 videos, 7 days. I'm going to do it. Yeah, that is happening. On that note, I have also been doing a couple of 30-day challenges, which should also be over this month, mid of this month. So better things are coming.